Hi everyone, I'm Esther from Essy Cooks, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious, easy mushroom gravy. So the first thing that we need is 8 ounces of cremini mushrooms or baby bella mushrooms. If you don't have those, white mushrooms will work. That's just kind of one standard small container of mushrooms, and I'm just going to cut those into nice little slices. And we have preheated a pan to medium heat, and I'm just going to add those mushrooms directly in there. I don't need to put any butter or oil. I'm just going to keep cooking these, and the juices will naturally come out of the mushrooms, which I know seems weird, but it totally works. So we're going to cook those until they're nice and lightly browned, and then we are going to add in our butter. So we're going to add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegan butter and mix that all in. That's going to add some lovely richness to this dish, and then we are going to add in some spices for flavor. So next up we have some fresh thyme. Now if you don't have fresh thyme, that's totally okay. You can put about half a teaspoon of dried thyme into this, but if you have fresh, you can put about a full teaspoon or however much you want to your liking. And we're going to mix that around into our mushroom gravy mixture here. You can smell it. It smells so good. Then we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning and half a teaspoon of onion powder. That's going to add even more flavor and absolute deliciousness to this. Then we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm just going to mix that in with the mushrooms. You can whisk it or you can mix it with a wooden spoon until everything is well combined and lightly toasted in the pan there. And then next we are going to add in 2 cups of either vegetable broth or beefless broth, and this is going to make it so delicious as well. So mix that all in together, and I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, which is going to add a beautiful flavor. It smells so good, and it's also going to make it this amazing, gorgeous color. So you can just cook that right until it's thickened up how you like. You can adjust the thickness if you want. If you want it to be a little bit thinner, just add a little bit more water, thicker, a little bit more flour. And of course, I'm going to be serving this with my delicious vegan mashed potatoes. This gravy was so delicious. We gobbled this up, and my husband said this is his absolute favorite vegan gravy that I have ever made. So check that out on those mashed potatoes. This was so delicious. I think this would be really good on like any fries, any potatoes, any protein that you would put gravy on. So good. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe.